Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel once again. We're going to attempt to fix this cracked oil pan on this 2007 HHI. He cracked it there the other day. We're going to try to fix it with some JB weld. And enjoy the video and have a great day. So, I don't know if you can see this crack or not. It's about right here. It's probably about 3, maybe 4 inch crack on the bottom of the oil pan. So, we're going to try to clean this up and we're going to try to JB weld it. Because if you have to order one, it'll probably take a couple of days for it to show up. So, and instead of using the old manual hand steel brush, we're going to use a drill. I don't know if you guys can see that better now, but you might be able to. It's right through here. There we go. Now this mixes up our JB weld and we will put it on there. He has other places he has to go in about 2 hours, so hopefully that would be minimum time for it to start set up, at least enough for him to go somewhere, and hopefully he won't be full hell no more today, and he can go home, let it sit up overnight for a full cure. So we're going to pause for a little bit here while we mix up our JB weld. Okay, everyone, let's mix up our epoxy here. The easiest way to do this is put out equal amounts of it. We're going to put it on pretty thick, so it's about what close looks like to the same amount. And let's mix them together. It turns like almost a gray color when you get it all mixed together, looks like a little bit. When you put it on, it starts setting up, it will change color once again. You can get different working times. I can't remember what time I got on this one, but we're going to treat it like 5-minute epoxy. And we're going to mix it real good. We're going to put it on real quick. Looks like we might have it there. Let's get back under the car so we can put this on. Okay. Let's put this on real quick, guys, and see how this is going to work. Yeah, and it's gonna goop and drip. Move everything out of the way that you don't want goop and dripped on. We're gonna put it on there rather thick on the crack side. And hopefully this will hold him until he gets a new one in. Of course, this may just work as a regular patch. We won't know until we find out. It's starting to heat up a little bit. It's starting to set. I can feel it in this cardboard heating up in my hand a little bit, so we need to hurry up and get it on there. It does a chemical reaction on the epoxy. It's just setting up real quick. You can tell it. That's all we're going to do to it. We don't want to mess with it and have a chance of it. You hurry to clean his tool off before it sets the place tool. He'll take a grinder to it and get it off. Yeah, you can feel it heating up on the cardboard. I think I did a pretty good job. We'll find out and see. It's got a minimum 2-hour cure time, and then overnight it fully sets. So hopefully he should be able to drive it here in a little bit. Go and do his stuff he needs done here in a little bit. And hopefully he'll slow down some. And not try to jump these potholes and ditches and stuff in this car. Guys, thanks for watching. And you guys have a wonderful day. There we go. One final look here before we call it quits. You can feel the heat where it's reacting. That might get him done. I believe it will. As always, comments are welcome. Hit that like and subscribe button.